Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain, how to install a WordPress on Subdomain, and how to fix this site can't be reached error on new subdomains. So if you are new here, please watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. Alright, open your cPanel. Right now, as you can see, we are on our cPanel. Let's navigate to domains, and from domains select subdomains. This is where you create all your subdomains. Let me give it a name. I will name it Alam. This is the subdomain and this is my main domain. So my new domain will be alam.tipswithalam.com. You don't have to change the document root. Just click on create. Our subdomain is successfully created. As you can see, we have a subdomain here and we don't have any redirection. Go back to cPanel, and from here you need to find the app installer. It might be different for different version of cPanel. In my version it is Softaculous. So I will go to WordPress Manager via Softaculous. This is where I can manage all my WordPress installations. I will select this, and as you can see, I have one WordPress install on my main domain, and I will have to install another one for my subdomain. So to install this, I will select install. This will pop a new setting, and from here select the version of your WordPress. I will keep it same. Choose installation URL, and I will select it as my new subdomain because I want to install it on my new subdomain. Clear this WP in the directory because we don't want anything like that. And it says a trusted SSL certificate was not installed. That is because we have installed a SSL certificate for our domain but not for our subdomain. So you need to install a SSL certificate separately for the subdomain as well. So after you're done, just scroll down, and from site settings, give your subdomain a name. I will give it as demo. And you can also write a description here, and scroll down, and from admin account you can change the admin details. You can change the admin username and password. I will give the password as password123 because this is just for the demonstration purpose, guys. And you can give your admin email. I will give this as my email because I want to see if I get these details on my email or not. We will keep the language as English, and from the select plugin you can limit the login attempts if you want, and select the theme if you want, or you can install it later. And if you want these details to be sent to your email, just enter your email here. I will enter my email and click install. So this will start installing WordPress on your subdomain, and here you can see it says congratulations, the WordPress is installed. So this is our new subdomain alam.tipswithalam.com, and this is our administrative URL. This is where we can manage the WordPress for this subdomain. Let's check if this subdomain is working. Click on the subdomain, and you can see we are getting an error. This site can't be reached error. So now I will show you how to fix this error. To do this, you have to go back to your domain provider and change the DNS. Go to your domain provider. In my case, I'm using Cloudflare to manage my domain. Log into your domain name provider, and as you can see, we are right now inside our Cloudflare account. Just select the domain and go to DNS. Same thing with your domain provider. You just have to open your domain provider and go to DNS. You need to copy this IP address which is pointing to tipswithalam.com. Let me copy this and select add record, and the type will be A. Give the name to this record as your subdomain, and then paste this address. Turn off the proxy if there is any, because I want it to be updated very soon. So click on save, and now we have added a new DNS record for our subdomain. We have successfully updated DNS for our subdomain. Let's go back to our subdomain and check. There you go. This is how you install WordPress on your subdomain. If you want to log in, just enter the subdomain /wp-admin, and this will take you to your WordPress dashboard. Alright, so today I showed you how to create a subdomain in Cpanel and install WordPress on it and fix the this site can't be reached error on the new subdomains. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.